Hey creators, welcome back to Learn with CC. What if I told you I used free Grok 4.3 to build a gaming app without needing advanced coding skills? Yes, with the new Grok AI features, I was able to generate ideas, structure the game, create assets, and speed up the app building process using AI. This is a game changer for game creators, app developers, AI creators, beginners who want to build apps faster. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Grok 4.3 step by step to create a gaming app and how you can start building your own too. So make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's get started. As we all know that Grok AI have recently increased their price, okay? And you can see here I have Super Grok. Oh my goodness, and this is so expensive. Like, it will be asking you to upgrade to Grok Heavy. So let's go ahead and see what this Heavy is. You can see the price that Grok is actually current price for Super Groks, okay? And you can see Super Grok, you can only allow to generate 5 long videos and all that. And here Grok have what is called Super Grok Heavy. So if you are subscribed to this, which is $99 monthly, and after 6 months it will go back to 300. After 3 months it will go back to $300. What does that mean? Grok have introduced a new AI agent whereby you can use to start building app, website, and also use it to make money for yourself. That's why they have increased this. And you can see you can use 16 times agents when you are using this. All right, and this is so very expensive. For me, it's very expensive, and this is ridiculous. So everything in Super Grok, you'll be getting unlimited image video generation for this price, and also you'll be have access to their Grok build. However, I want to show you another platform where you can access this Grok Super Grok Heavy for free. Use it to build app, build website, deploy it, okay, and it will be functioning. You can also monetize the app. You can deploy it to your Google Play or your Apple Play and start making money. All right, so I will be showing you that you don't need to subscribe to this heavy amount on Super Grok Heavy. All right, so let's go there. The platform I want to introduce to you is called arena.ai. So go to your browser and type arena.ai. Arena.ai has been around for a long time. They used to answer Lem Arena. They changed their name to Arena AI. And this platform have different AI models inbuilt into this platform. All right. It has a lot of inbuilt AI platform. All right, if you click on the battle here, you will see here it will give you option for you to select 2 AI models to battle with, to create your content or create whatever you want to create. Or you want a side by side, you just need 2 model of your choice. You compare against each model, or you directly chat with one AI model, which is whereby you select one AI model of your choice. Okay, they have a lot of inbuilt AI models on this Arena. So inside Arena AI, I've pasted in a prompt because I want to build a children's game app. All right, and here you can see the prompt I've given to Arena AI, okay, that I'll be using to create this app. If you want this prompt, please click the link on the video description to join my AI Academy on School. That's where you see everything we do about AI. So this game, I want Arena AI, I want Grok, because I'll be using Grok. All right, to create me a game, okay, using HTML. So I want it to return it in HTML file, because with that file now I can use it. If you want to deploy it to any platform of your choice, you can now deploy it. All right, here now, this is the concept of the game. I want a magical adventure game where the player controls the cute little character collecting stars and all that. Okay, this is kids game, and this is the targeted audience. I want it to be the age of 3 to 10. Okay, and this is the title of the game. You just have to input everything necessary, and this is why I want the UI to be. I want it to be colorful. I want it, you can select your own color, how you want the game to look. You'll be able to select all that. Okay, design, whatever you want to do, you will be able to create all this. And this is a prompt. I want it in HTML file so that I will be able to use it in maybe any platform I want to deploy it, maybe whether GitHub. I can always download the file and just use it. All right, so this is the prompt. You can see well detailed prompts. So the next thing we have to do is to select the AI agents we need. So to select the AI agent, when you look at this below here, you will see what is called build app and website. Okay, make sure you put that on, because when you do that, it will Arena AI will make the AI agent to go into coding mode. All right, so even there you can also use it to generate images and video, but here we are using it to build an app. All right, so after that we now go to battle mode at the top here. click on that arrow. All right, you can go ahead and select. Let's say if you click on this one, battle mode, the Arena AI will automatically select your own AI agent that will work on your prompt. All right, if you select side by side, okay, you can see here it will give you two options to compare. So within these two by side, you can select any AI agent you want, but I don't want that. What I want is direct chat. Okay, I'll select direct chat and it will give me option to select one of the AI agents I want to use to create this. So when I click on the arrow, I can search here Grok. Okay, so Grok have recently introduced a new model, as I show you on Grok where they call it Grok Super Grok Heavy, and this is Grok 4.3. This is newest Grok AI agent release. Okay, that's why Grok automatically went up off to that kind of price all of a sudden. All right, so when you are creating this app, make sure you select Grok 4.3. okay, that's the AI agents we want to work on this children game for us. All right, so once you do that, make sure you proofread your prompt, you scroll down. Okay, once you've proofread your prompt, anything, let's say you already have interface, maybe I'll do a video whereby you can also build your front end. Okay, if you've already built a front end of your app with another website, you can always attach it here, or you have a logo, your own business logo, you can attach it here. For this tutorial, I don't need that. Okay, but if you have your own logo, you can just attach it here, or you already have a front end you've built elsewhere and you want to maintain that, or you see another app, you like the interface, you can just take a screenshot of it and just give it in here for Grok 4.3 to use that to create your own app. All right, but here I'll just be going with the prompt because my prompt is already well detailed. So what I will do now, I'll just click on the arrow here and it will ask me agree to terms and all that. Okay, you click on agree. So immediately you click on agree. Okay, all this will pop up. You're not a robot, just answer, and just for security verification. Okay, as you can see this interface now, Grok 4.3 model have already, this interface is beginning to generate. Okay, it's starting to think about creating this app. Okay, it will enter into work mode, planning mode, everything you need for AI app creation or website creation. You don't need to be a coder to create app or website in this era. All you need is just to get a very good detail prompt and a very good tool. And this thing that Grok have just introduced, the Grok 4.3, oh my god, is amazing. All right, it is amazing, and on this platform you can access it free. You can also use it to generate images and video using Grok image or video generation. Okay, just select the AI agent you want. As you can see, it is building it. All right, it is building it and it is thinking, and here it's saying preview will appear here when the agent is done working. All right, if you are enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Okay, amazing tutorial, that's what we put out here. If you want to learn how to create monetizable AI faceless content for your TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel, the link will be down this video for you to join AI Made Simple Hub on school. Start learning, start monetizing your social media handle, make money online. Okay, as you can see, it is already creating. How wonderful this is. I'm so excited. I've been using this, I've used it to create multiple games for my kids, okay, which I've also deployed to some platform. And here I'm here to show you how amazing this is. Seriously, Grok is not playing. You see, Grok AI, they are not playing at all. Okay, they are giving us back to back. Yes, it's expensive, but with this platform you can do it. Hula, you can see the AI, the app. Hey, goodness me, the game is ready. The game is ready. What this is beautiful. So all you need to do is just to scroll down. Okay, scroll down the app, and here it will ask you to start adventure. Start adventure. Click on start adventure. I'm playing the game. Oh, hey god. So you can see the game is here. So when this thing is coming, you can jump. I can click this arrow to jump. It's so funny. It's so funny. It's a great job. Okay, let me play. This is so funny. Okay, so you can see it will start jumping. Okay, if you move it this way, it will start moving. Okay, so let's play the game. So you can see when you use this arrow, it will jump. It will move. Oh my god, this is funny. This is so funny. It will collect fruits. Okay, I want it to collect fruits. That's the what. Okay, you can make it to move forward a bit, make it to jump higher. Okay, this game is so beautiful. Look at it. I'm the one playing the game. Oh, I'm the one playing the game, guys. You can create this for your kid. You can create any kind of game app. It's not only game, but today we are creating games. You can see how I'm collecting the points, and you can see my points is increasing at the top. I'm actually doing so well. First time using this game. Super jump. You see I'm jumping so high. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Okay, AI is making things. You don't need to be a developer to create things now. Ooh, awesome. I did so well. Here you can see it's paused. Okay, you can easily pause your game, and as you are playing, the level will start increase, like it will start you know increasing you to different levels as you're playing this game and you are successful with it. All right, this is so beautiful. Seriously, I know a lot of people are worried, oh, why did Grok increase their money? This is the new regime that Grok have just got into, building website and app, and it is so intelligent. Like, is able to understand the workflow. Okay, it's able to understand the workflow and the prompts and be able to put it in such a way that you need. So if you want to download it, you click on download. Remember, the download we download as HTML file, because that's how I've wanted it to download. Easy for me to deploy on any platform of my choice. Okay, so when you deploy it, people will be able to use this. Please, if you want me to create a video on how you deploy these apps, all right, don't forget to comment down the comment section. Okay, put your comment down there. Tell me, but just say deploy. I will make a video how you deploy this file, and easy for you to start monetizing it, because that's what I do as well. All right, I've built a lot of apps that I have on Google Play. That's I use them. All right, and people monetize them. People also purchase the apps as well, because you create apps that are relevant for people, and this is something you can create for this game. So let's also create another game. All right, and I will show you that this is unlimited. You can use this unlimited on this platform. It's not restricted as of now. It is not restricted. Okay, so go ahead and practice. Be your own developer. Don't forget, if you are enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorial like this. All right, so when I'll come back here, I'll click on new chart. Okay, when you click on new chart, it will open a new chart for you. Remember, I'm still on Grok 4.3 model, which is the super latest model that is doing the wonders now. All right, I'll paste in my prompt in this. Remember, you have to select web and app building, so that your prompt, the AI will know that you are going into coding mode. All right, so I want to build a game again. Okay, app. This is always my beginning prompt. Okay, I want it in JavaScript and all that, so that everything will be ready for me for deployment. I want a colorful game. I want a game that look like Roblox. Okay, Roblox style game. So that's what I want, and I've imputed there, and this is it. Okay, always return in HTML file. Very important, because you need this. All right, let's see the UI of this game. Okay, the UI of this game is this color, this color. If you don't like the color or the UI, that you can always make changes to it. Okay, and we'll click on generate, and it will enter game like build mode automatically. As you can see, it is generating and it will start building. Seriously, this platform will give you everything you need. Okay, arena.ai. Guys, go and look out for it. Try your own app. In fact, come and tell me how your game, the outcome of it. All right, it is generating and it's building. Preview will appear here, so let's give it some time to build. And ta-da-da, the game is ready. Block City Adventure. So this game I specifically requested a Roblox kind of game. Okay, not really, but similar. So let's start adventure. I told you 2026, a lot is about to change. We are in the era of whereby you can start making money for yourself with AI. All right, so let's start adventure. This is it. Enter Block City. So maybe here you can select the avatar you want. Okay, maybe let me select this one. Ooh. Okay, so this is the game, and you can see here you can spin the wheel if you want. Okay, but here you have to shop for credit. Let's say if your credit is finished, and this is how I say you can also monetize this app. All right, you can select, okay, and the person can purchase it. And also here the pets, okay, is level 5. There's a way the game is, and you just start playing. All right, and at the top you can see where you are earning coins. There is also volume you can turn off and turn on. All right, so a lot of things is already inbuilt. You can change the style of it. Okay, and this is it. All right, so you just click on download once the game is ready. If you want to make any changes, let's say you don't like anything here, you can always type here, okay, where you say ask for a follow-up. You can always type in here and just say, oh, make it or anything. The changes will just automatically appear on this interface. Okay, so go ahead and just create your own app. Let me see how it is. Don't forget to join our AI Academy on School. The link is down in the description of this video, and also subscribe, like, share and comment for amazing tutorial like this.